Once again, just one back. I want to just show you today the black cod little stream alongside the Nambole Stadium of Uganda. Well, I also really don't know whether it is a river or just water which has stayed longer. Yeah, so I put on a mask because of COVID. COVID is real, my friends. Try to be safe. Put on your masks. Yeah. This is I. So let me try to show you what I wanted to show you. Wow. I guess you see, verify that. I guess you see the little stream of river. I don't know if it's a river or just like a stream of water. As you can see, let me zoom it for you. Even the plastics have landed into it. Yeah, that's the part of Africa. We getting whatever we want is in Africa, UG. For those who know Uganda and number the way it is, yeah, just come behind the number police, near police of Boyogere. As you slope down, you can see this stream of water. It is black in color. I think it is deeper. So I rarely see people going into it. It is a stunted river. It does not walk. It does not move. It does not move. You can see where it is. It is in a sort of a cave. You see? A valley. Actually, it is a valley. Sorry, it is in the cave of a valley. You can see where it is. Everything. Yeah. See the nature. That's the Nambole Stadium. Behind it, you can see also bananas around. That's part of Africa. Everything you get in Uganda. So it is very good, charming. This you've seen the part of Africa around like a stream or the river. There's a plantation of bananas which are too fertile. You can see a hen moving. There's a hen inside. So this is Uganda. For those who love to come to visit Uganda, you're most welcome. Yeah, most welcome about it. So let's wait for the next session of another adventure. This was part of our adventure, evening adventure. We shall keep in touch. So take calm. COVID is real. Go and take vaccinations. Okay? Stay safe. Bye.